Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, you read the title. It is thundering. Again, we got thunderstorms. I'm at my nan's house. That's just a light reflecting in the background, if you're wondering what it is. If you're wondering what that is, that's just a light reflecting in the background, so yeah. Yeah, we've got thunderstorms. They did say on the news we're going to get thunderstorms today, possibly. Yeah, and I've got thunder right here. I just heard it then, but it was very quiet at that time. Yeah, it was a pretty quiet thunder bang that time, but I just heard thunder that time. So yeah, it's a thunderstorm video. I haven't uploaded on this channel in ages, because I've got other channels as well. Oh, here comes the rain. There's thunder. I can barely see the rain on camera, but it's raining. You can see it a little bit, but not a lot. But yeah, oh my god, it's throwing it down. It's getting heavier. Here comes the rain, guys. It's getting really heavy now. I left the window open so you can hear the thunder. There it goes. I've got to go home tonight in that storm. There's no wind hardly, it's just light wind. So yeah, thunderstorms with heavy wetting. Thunder again. It wasn't as loud that time, it was quieter, but I just heard it again. I'm not looking forward to going home in that tonight, in that storm. Oops, I just kicked my mouse by accident. Wow, there's a big black cloud. Looks like there's certainly a lot of rain up there. That's the cloud, by the way. Camera. Try to adjust this camera. So yeah, looks like that was a bad time, guys, because I'm going to be going home soon, and now I've got to go home in a thunderstorm. Yeah, and it looks like the rain's getting heavier again. It slowed down, but now it's picking up again. That is just typical. Really unfortunate. I haven't got any ideas for my other channel yet, so I thought I'd do this thunderstorm video for this channel. It's absolutely chucking it down. What's the camera move? But yeah, I'm going to put an end to the video here. So that's going to be it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll see you next video. And bye for now. Thank you for watching. Oh, lightning, guys. Actually, I'll carry on. Changed my mind, guys. Yep, I'm not putting an end to the video here. I've changed my mind. I just saw lightning. That was the first time in this storm so far today I've saw lightning. I think I'll stay on a little longer. In fact, my brother's coming up now because he's quite noisy. So yeah, actually I will put an end to the video. So that's going to be it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And yeah, as always, I'll see you in the next video. And bye for now. Thank you for watching.